Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Evernote step by step. And if you don't know what Evernote is, it's a note-taking app which includes basic word processor functionality, as well as useful note-oriented markup like checkboxes and highlighting. But Evernote also incorporates a collection of add-on features that expand upon this baseline, making it an all-in-one solution for your note-taking needs. One of their key features is their document scanning software. You can scan any physical documents with your camera and upload it to your notes. You can also add attachments, including photos and audio recordings. Evernote also offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to formatting notes. You can create checklists, tables, and even presentations. This tutorial will help you get started. First, click the first link in the description and it's gonna land you to this page. Then click the sign up button and just set up a free account. Evernote offers a free plan if you want to try using their service before taking on a paid subscription. Although you can only get 60 MB of monthly storage and the ability to sync two devices, which can potentially make it not suitable for most businesses, but it should be more than enough to test this tool and just give it a try. When you log into Evernote, the first thing you will see is these pop-ups, asking you some questions: what brings you to Evernote, work, school, personal, and where will you use Evernote? Case Evernote is offered on major devices including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Also is offer browser extension to screenshot pages and save them to your accounts, and we will see this later on. And other questions of the type. When you complete that, this is the home page. The best way to start using Evernote effectively is to start creating notes, and notes is just what it sounds like. Any piece of information you want to save for later. Click the green plus new button at the top of the left panel, then select notes. Once you have created a note, give it a name or title so it's easy to find later. And you can maximize or minimize the notes on your screen from here. Alright, we will call this demo. And enter some text unless you choose otherwise. New notes are saved on the default notebook, known as First Notebook. You can keep pretty much any type of content in a note. Evernote is a lot more than just basic text. You can add rich media such as images and audio files, checkboxes and checklists, or create tables and link out to online content. Formatting the text should be familiar. It's just like using any document software or other text editor. If you don't see what you are looking for, click the More drop-down to the right of the formatting toolbar to find more options. Put together a combination of all these tools and you can have a fancy note. And if you want to dig deeper, click Open Gallery after you create the note, and you can start with a pre-made layout for anything from a calendar to a project's budget to a meeting agenda. If you are feeling stuck, these templates are a great place to start. And before you start writing, it's a good idea to create some notebooks to sort out where your notes will live. You can organize your notes however you want, and you can always add more notebooks, rename them, or move notes from one notebook to another at a later time. But having some notebooks to start is a good way to get familiar with the system. Click on Notebooks in the left sidebar to view the notebook list. Then click New Notebook in the top right. Then name your notebook. In this example, we will name it Tutorial. Click Create. Next, we will create a couple more notebooks along this same theme. Tutorial 1 and Tutorial 2. So notes are stored inside notebooks, and notebooks can be organized into notebook stacks. Now you are ready to start creating notes in those notebooks. So let's create a new note. Once you are in the note, you can always move it by clicking the three dots in the top right and selecting Move To. Then select the notebook where you would like that note to live and click Done. Alternatively, you can also place a new note in a notebook by clicking on the notebook in the left sidebar and click New Note. The note will automatically be placed in the notebook you are clicked into. And to see the notes you have written, click the notebook that contains your note, and you will see your notes and any other notes you have created. You can also add tags to your notes to make it easier to find with searches or associate it with other notes you will write. So to add tags, select your notes and look toward the bottom of the note. You will see Add Tag in gray text. Click this field and begin type out your tags. Tags are created after you press enter or return or after you type a comma. For this example, we'll make the tags Easy, Evernote, and Tutorial. Remove tags by clicking the drop arrow on the right side of the tag itself and clicking Remove Tag. Or, if you want to see all your notes with a given tag, click that same arrow and select Filter by Tag. Then you will be able to see all the notes with that tag. Alternatively, you can click tags in the left sidebar to see all your tags and all the notes associated with them. If you have a lot of tags in Evernote, you can organize them by creating nested tags. Nested tags are tags that are organized as subtags under a main tag. For example, a main tag Travel may have multiple subtags like London, New York. So to create a nested tag, hover over a tag, then click the three dots. Select Create Subtag. Add a name for the subtag, then click Create. Alright, with Evernote you can place checkboxes and checklists in your notes to keep track of action items. Checklists and checkboxes allow you to create lists or items that can be marked as complete. So to add a checkbox, tap the blue plus icon insert in the Notes editor and tap the checkbox button. Once you have perfected that note, you might want to share it with people. You have the option of sharing an entire notebook or just one note. To share the entire notebook, click Notebooks in the sidebar and then select the notebook you want to share. All the way to the right, click on the three dots and select Share Notebook. Type in the email addresses of the person or people you want to share it with. Separate multiple addresses with a comma. Click Can Edit and Invite to modify the permissions you are giving these people. And finally, click Send Invitations. And if you want to share just one note, go to the notes and click Share in the top right. The rest of the process is the same, except that on this screen, you have the option to enable a shareable link that you can send to others to view your notes. With or without an Evernote account, anyone can view that link in their browser. So notes can be typed out, scanned in, or web clipper. This handy browser extension allows you to clip almost any item you find online. Blog posts, videos, social media posts, even entire web pages, and sync them with your primary Evernote account. If you are a Google Chrome user, navigate to the Evernote web clipper page in the Chrome Web Store, then simply click Add to Chrome to install the extension. The process is very similar for Firefox and all these browsers. Fortunately, using the Evernote web clipper is almost as easy as installing it. Once you have installed the web clipper, you will notice an elephant icon in the space of the right of your browser's address bar. When you want to clip something, click on that elephant icon to open the web clipper. Before the web clipper can save anything, you need to tell it what it should clip. The web clipper defaults to the article setting. You can select other clipping options depending on how much of the source material you want to save. For example, the simplified articles option clips all the text on a page but doesn't preserve the page's formatting or typefaces. The full page option clips the entire page including images and ads. You can also save pages as bookmarks or take a screenshot. You can also create new notebooks directly from within the web clipper. This handy feature means you don't have to log into the web app or launch the Evernote app to create a new notebook, then go back to the clipper to save the item. You can do it all at the same time. It's also possible to add tags and comments to clipped items as you clip them, which helps keep things organized. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot, thank you. So hopefully this video helped you out and bye bye.